Mmm. Mmm. Naman. This guy is the star. Check that out, guys. Baby back ribs at its best. See, falls off the bone instantly. And then let's give it a dip. Kayong sauce. Alright na, nababawa kabalian ko, musta kayo po na. Ako po yung Luis Season ng We're in Pampanga. Ngayon po nga doon ngayon may invite kami SM City Telabastagan, particularly Urac. Actually, maka-redinate ang kaya katamong table na, so makiabitan na luklok tamo karela. Yeah! Look at that table! Super! Base king observation ko na. Siguro yung makapan kaninis around 10 persons. Pero apat kami mo po ngayon. Ayan, sabi kay John, kay Mark, kay Daryl, bayan nyo kami po muna. It's gonna be a super awesome day kasi manyang-manya Urac, promise. Oh wow, super creamy. Diba dating pang real shiitake mushrooms. Oh man, that one's heavenly. That one's heavenly. Yo! So this one is their peri-peri chicken. It has 2 dips available. So kinita mong lupang spicy. Hey guys. Wow. Wow. First time to taste this kind of dip, and then the spices included here, guys, is are really evident. Adds up with ketong karelang dip. Amazing. Wow, this one's real refreshing. Siguro citrus juice yan, so it's a mix of calamansi, orange at saka lemon, all in one glass. Wow. Yeah. When you go here, guys, and bisa kang ma-relax king soup, you must try itang kay creamy mushroom soup da. It's really relaxing, refreshing na. As in, potang kanan me kain mila ko itang stress. That's what I feel actually. That's what I feel. So when you dine here, don't settle for plain rice. Don't settle for plain rice. Get a dirty rice. Ito na, so additional new product yan ising karelang carnitas at yun lang 2 dips, salsa verde, ang pong cucumber aioli. You either put it on top, ayan, nakaburi ko dip kaya na. So wrap tayo pa mong kaya katamong carnitas. Then first, dip tayo kaya ni. There you go. So ini karelang spicy ini mo para siya, so good luck ka na ako na. Very earthy. So retang bulong, detang bell pepper, detang minuna akong abaw, atakman mo. Ayan na. Next dip tayo mo isang karelang cucumber aioli. Yan Okay. So siguro rin ang ali masyadong mapag-explore pa man. They're gonna go for this dip kasi bala mo mayo base sila. Pero parang ako, dip kaining last bite ko kaining karelang verde, salsa verde kasi medyo Umaparas siya guys, manyaman niya. So, pinining ka lang kay. Meron ka rin burgers da. And this one is yung meat na is chicken. Observation ko, kaya pangalasa ko. At yung dito ako spiciness. Fresh niya mo yun. And then, atin yung resemblance keng meron nga popular guy. Fast food, chicken fast food. Wait, so, bayo tamo mi pamangalinguan, kaya pamamangan mi. Puri kayong pakilala kaya kayo nung nanula pa mo retang food na makaserve kaya kami. So, pagsabihin tala pa mo, dila chef, Ja, ampoy ma'am Ja. Para discuss la kaya katamo nung nalaretang pamangan na chugeni, ang po retang karelang promos. Wait, akabalan so, bayo mi sinduit ang pamamangan mi nandin. Isabihan pa mo nung nanula retang kakananta mo kaya ning Yurak. So, abeta mo ngayon ni si Ma'am Ja, ampoy Ma'am Ja. Ja 1, Ja 2 ata naman eh. Anyway, so umpisan tayo ang Chef Ja. Okay, so nano na rin ang sinerve mo, ma'am?
We are celebrating our 3rd year anniversary. So we came up na magpalwal atlong dish, bayong dish.
Okay.
The first one is the carnitas tacos.
Okay.
And then the southern fried chicken with waffles, and southern style the badass chicken burger. Yung metong plate ay ni bala mo best sellers in one plate.
Okay.
Ayan. So at chicken is best selling ming baby back ribs.
Of course,
the chicken peri, and then the liempo.
Yes.
Of course, the Hungarian sausage,
Sausages,
and the blackened chicken. We also have the cream of mushroom soup. It's kasama siya ng family feast natin. This is called dirty rice.
Tingaman one to. Anya.
So dirty rice aliya po marinat. Ini mesoteya keng red and green bell peppers, onions, and especially yung itang kakabit ming dirty rice mix.
Although this restaurant or company sa homegrown Kapampangan na business, talagang makipagsabayan niya hanggang karen pa mong karen dishes lang po ang lasan na ning kahit ano. Okay, speaking of makipagsabayan na, atin tamong anniversary promo and nanonareta, atin tamang pakulo kayo niya.
Yes po, as Yurak turns 3 po, we will be having our 3+1 promo. So, yung promo po natin is when you order 3 items from one menu category
Yes.
po, you get 1 free.
Mag-cite tayo ng
po.
example, ma'am. Say, for example, on your main dish.
Yes
Siguro
po.
magano tayo
Pwede po
ng...
nag-order sila ng isang barbecue ribs,
Yes.
isang chicken peri, or
Yes.
isang porterhouse steak.
Yes.
They will be getting 1 free po. Kahit anong item dun sa mga main
Yes,
entrees natin.
I would like to emphasize ita na regardless of the price.
Yes po.
So for example, in pinili yung is itang pinakamura for that category and then pilihan yung itang free,
Na
pinakamahal.
pwede po.
Pwede yun.
We also have our Wheel of Freebies po. For a minimum of 1,500 worth na purchase, we'll have 1 free spin po. Tapos, our freebies has 15% discount, 500 gift certificate, free umbrella, keychains,
20%
free wigs,
discount.
20% discount.
Wow. And gift certificate probably on
Yes
the
po.
next visit.
Yes po, on the next visit. Pwede na po.
Another dish comes in, imin kaya katamong dessert, kilo white chocolate. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen. Pakadagdagan tayo sauce. Wow. There? Whoa. So simple. This is so simple. Grabe guys ne. So after more than an hour na mamangan kami kini tsaka kwentuhan. Mabsi oneng madakal pamuri ni pamangan ne. Magpasalamat kami po kay Yurak for inviting us sa Chuya po ini kay SM City Telabastagan. Atin niya ground level. Atin niya mo naman may nga branch kay San Fernando, chuya ng Orchids. Orchids Garden, yan. So ito po malapit na po yung kanilang anniversary. Make sure to Enjoy po itang karelang promo, itang 3+1, natin lang mo naman ba yung itang mga family set meals mo kanyan eh. Again guys, we're introducing another option kaya yung usual na pamamangan eh. So anong sasabihin nyo, not namangan, aliwa naman. Kasi pamamangan kayo niya, aliwa.
Oo, alwa talaga.
Eh mo sabi na sabihan mo, bala mo, Filipino dish siya,
American.
steaks la. Kasi super wide variety, range ng karelang pamamangan kayo. And ito, hello nyo guys.
Karakal.
Man versus food. Man loser. Ito guys, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye.